Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon uday away na Kyrtong Jong ka Voice of the People Party House nem arjar arpulai wala daung poi sa katong ru uyo kumbasa na jar saus pa sanbun rewards na po ka umsning constituency bat ka Voice of the People Party kala ibidya ban penyang kumu MP House nem arjar arpusaw ka Kyrdan Pule Jong Dr. Syngkon kalong ba upas ya ka MA Economics MCom bat PhD na po ka Nehu University Bad ubas dang bancoy niya kanehu house nem RRR how kandai terik ubanay basaw bad ubalong ru assistant professor hapo ka commerce department ka currently teaching ka jong kalong managerial economics small business management bad ubabat ya ka PhD title ha ka development of small scale industries in Meghalaya ka area of interest pat kalong small business and entrepreneurship current area of work kadai entrepreneurship among the hill tribes Dr. Syngkon udon kumbasan huwis nem karta bat ka Jakasa kajong kalong Han Nox der Block 6 Riboy District Meghalaya